Outlet faceplate paint peeling off is a total pain, but you can fix it without wrecking your walls or stressing out. So, first off, when you see paint peeling on your outlet faceplate, don't just rip it off. It can mess up the wall or even damage the outlet. Instead, grab a flathead screwdriver or a putty knife and gently pry the faceplate off, working slowly so you don't chip the paint around it. Once it's off, get some fine grit sandpaper and lightly sand the edges to smooth out where the paint peeled. If you want to avoid peeling next time, try using a primer made for plastic before painting the new faceplate. When you paint, use spray paint designed for plastics because it sticks better and won't crack or peel as easily. Let it dry completely before putting the faceplate back on. Patience here saves you from doing this again soon. Also, make sure your walls and outlets are clean and dry before painting, because dirt or moisture can cause paint to peel like crazy. Lastly, if the old faceplate is too beat up, just replace it with a new one. They're cheap at hardware stores and save you a lot of hassle. One of the biggest issues with outlet faceplate paint peeling is using the wrong type of paint, which just doesn't stick to plastic and flakes off quickly. Fix that by picking plastic-specific spray paint. Another common mistake is not prepping the surface before painting. Skipping, sanding, or cleaning means the paint won't hold well, so take the time to prep properly. Lastly, people often paint right over the installed faceplate without removing it, causing uneven edges and quick peeling. Always remove and paint separately to keep things smooth and long-lasting. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome if you're looking for trusted local contractors who actually know what they're doing with home repairs like this. It also helps contractors get connected with homeowners needing help, making it easier for everyone to find the right match for their projects.